This 3rd to 4th century Roman dormouse has a furnace-finished rim. Some have cracked-off rims. The dormouse starts with a medium-sized gather of glass on a small blowpipe. The glass is marvered to a cylindrical shape. Air is blown into the blowpipe. An initial bubble is formed. The tip is rolled on the marvering table to make it pointed and cooled. The bubble is elongated to form a tube, and a slight constriction is made near the blowpipe. Air is blown in again, and the thick glass at the tip inflates somewhat. The spinning and centripetal force resulting and holding the blowpipe down causes the bubble to become oval. This process continues to make the bubble the right size and the right shape. Next, the ears and the mouth are formed. Here's the first eye. And the second eye. A thin spiral thread is added. Next, the feet are attached. These begin as small gathers, pincered and bent. And this is done 3 more times. The object is frequently flashed in the furnace to keep everything above 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Any cooler and parts might begin to crack off. And the 4th foot is added. The vessel is transferred to the punty or pontle. It's made narrow and pointed so that it occupies as least area as possible. The vessel is broken from the blowpipe and the open end reheated. This mouse has a thin thread in the middle of the tail. The entire tubular tail is softened, opened to a cylindrical shape, and then given a slight flare. And the entire tail is softened slightly, rotating stops, and gravity causes the tail to bend downward. The piece can then be broken free of its puntey and placed in the annealing oven for slow cooling. It takes at least 3 or 4 hours to cool this safely to room temperature.